Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Success Coach. Today, we're going to be doing division with groups of objects. So let's get started. Paulo has 27 apples divided evenly into 3 bags. Which image could represent the situation? So we have A. We can see that there are 3 groups, and that there are 3 apples in each of these groups. So this one shows 3 times 3. This one has again 3 groups. But now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it has 9 apples in each group. So this one shows 3 times 9. Now this one has 4 groups. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 apples again. So he has 27 apples divided evenly into 3 bags. We know to solve this, to solve how many he has in each bags, it would be 27 divided by 3. And we don't really need to do the math. We all know that it is 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. So if it is 3 times 9, which one of these images show 3 times 9? We wrote it earlier. The only photo or picture that shows 3 times 9 is this one. So the answer is B. Which image could represent 12 divided by 6? So we know that 12 divided by 6 is 2. No math really needed for that. So this one shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, and then 2 in each group. So 6 times 2. And then this one has unequal groups, so that doesn't count at all. So the answer would be A. Which expressions could represent the picture shown below? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups with 6 apples in each. So 5 times 6 equals 30. Now which one of these show 5 times 6? So none of them show 5 times 6 because they're in division. So if we had to do division, we just have to flip the numbers. 30 divided by 6 or 30 divided by 5. Any of these work. So the only ones that show this, A and C. Last question. There are 40 hot dogs divided evenly into 6 packs. Which expression would tell us how many hot dogs are in each pack? So there are 4 packs, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hot dogs in each pack. So 4 times 10 equals 40. Or if we had to do it, 4 times 10 equals 40. Or if we had to do it in division, it would be 40 divided by 10, or 40 divided by 4. So the one that shows this is B, which shows 40 divided by 4. Anyway, guys, that is all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos like this. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode.